What's good? It's your boy chilling with Cooney. Say, man, we just got a tornado warning. The wind been blowing crazy all day, and it been raining all day. So I decided to come out here and do a little rain test for you guys. And as you can see, even with those strong winds, the tent ain't go nowhere. The tent ain't even moved. It's still in the same spot. That's what I'm talking about. Now let's go in here and check for the rain. See if any drops got inside this tent. And as you can see, there's not a drop in sight. It's about as dry as a desert in here. So yeah, this is a great tent. Anybody looking to buy an inflatable tent, this is a good buy right here. Strong tent, no air leakage, and no rain gets inside here at all. That does it for this video. I just want to do a rain test for you guys in the new inflatable tent. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell. And remember, if you're rocking with me, I'm rocking with you. Peace.